A very happy evening to all my beloved students who are watching this video. Very happy evening from ANC team, sir. Happy evening Vivek, Rohit, Sudha, Rashmi, Priyank, Harish, Rashmi, Chandra. Happy evening Arvind. Happy evening. Before we start the class, few important updates. Hi Gopinath, happy evening. Mayank, happy evening sir. Happy evening sir, Ramnarayan. Few important updates before we start the class. First thing is, kindly comment on the audio and video section, sir, before we move on to anything further in this particular class. Kindly comment on the audio and video. Is it clear? Is the audio clear? Is the visibility clear? Any technical issues, we have a habit of resolving it before the start of the class. Technical issues, some technical issues are beyond our control. Let us check it out initially itself, and then we will proceed with our classes. Arabinda, happy evening. Vinod Kumar, happy evening. Everyone, very happy evening, sir. Very good. Most of the people say that audio and video is clear. That is my first update. Second update before we start the class. We will strictly follow the academic nature. No other discussions. No other discussions from my students. No personal discussions. No discussion with respect to any other topic, because we are discussing a very important topic. Let me mention it in my next screen. We are discussing a very important topic on time, speed and distance. Time, speed and distance happen to be one of the very important topic in any competitive examination whichever you appear for, be it placements or CAT or bank exam or SSC examinations. And today we are taking the third session on time, speed and distance. Already couple of sessions from time, speed and distance has been taken by me. Close to around 4 hours of class has been taken. Today, whatever the session which I am taking will be on time, speed and distance. No other discussion other than this topic, no deviation. My sincere request is, please do not post your answers. Please do not post your answers starting of the class itself. I am telling you very clear, sir, because last time also I told you this. If you post your answer, there might be a possibility that I might miss out a doubt of a student in that live chat. Do not post your answer. You can solve it in your paper or book and cross check whether your answer is right or wrong. And the other important thing what I want to say you people is, today we are discussing in time, speed and distance. This is my third session. Application of AM and HM, application of arithmetic mean and harmonic mean in time, speed and distance, in boats and streams, in man and escalators. And for all the people who have already attended this particular concept in my previous classes, if you have attended this particular concept of application of AM and HM, probably when I took 1.5 months or 2 months before, I am going to add some new extra questions. Some new extra questions are being added in this particular concept, which I did not take in this particular concept in my previous session of time, speed and distance. If you are interested, please understand this statement carefully. Please do not keep saying the same statement later on. If interested, you can continue watching. If not interested, you can quit it, sir. That means I am very straightforward in saying this. If people have already watched this topic, and if you feel that you have something else better to do in your life, you can definitely concentrate on that particular task. I am not forcing you to attend this particular class if you have already attended. And To add on to that, I said you that I am going to add some of the new extra questions which are probably not discussed in my previous classes, which uses the application of arithmetic mean and harmonic mean. Chalo sir, before we start the class, one very important update. Kindly share this YouTube link. Kindly share this YouTube link in all your WhatsApp group. Very important update. Let us take 1 minute of time. Let us each one of us take 1 minute of time and share it in your group or your friends, whoever it is. Kindly share it. 1 minute. We are going to start this beautiful session of time, speed and distance, which is my session 3. Kindly share it, sir. Please help me in reaching as many students as possible. Let us all together make this world a better place as much as possible from our end. Kindly share this YouTube link, sir. I am also sharing from my mobile right now. Just give me 1 minute of time so that I will also share this YouTube link. Please share it, sir. My request. Let maximum number of students get benefited from excellent content what we have as of now. I believe that my students are in the process of sharing this YouTube link with your friends or relatives or colleagues or whoever you think that you need to help them out in clearing the aptitude examination, which many students feel that it is one of the toughest to do it. Chalo sir, let us start the class. I have shared it in my WhatsApp group. I have already shared it 7 minutes before at 6 o'clock exactly. To some of the other students also I am sharing it right now. Chalo sir, shall we start the class? Are we ready to start the class, sir? Kindly comment in the live chat. Very important topic. Application of AM and HM in time, speed and distance, boats and streams, and man and escalators. This concept I will probably escalate the same concept in boats and stream topic also, and I will try my level best in some of the problems to use this methodology in solving boats and stream questions. Shall we start the class, sir? I am waiting for your comments. Chalo sir, let us start the class. Listen carefully, sir. Kindly everyone please listen to this concept very carefully. I am going from very basic question to some of the original examination question which has appeared in the examinations earlier. Listen carefully, sir. See here. Now first let us understand. This is what I want to start with today's class. Application of arithmetic mean and harmonic mean in time, speed and distance, boats and streams, and man and escalators. Now first let us understand the concept behind solving the problems. First let us understand the concept. Now see here. First concept. Suppose I will take two sets A and B. I will call first set as A1, A2 and A3. Let the elements of A be A1, A2 and A3. And similarly, I will call the second set B as B1, B2 and B3. I am assuming there are two sets A1, A2 and A3 and B1, B2 and B3. I will also say that let these elements in A1, A2, A3, let it be in arithmetic progression. For example, what is the meaning of arithmetic progression? Common difference should be same. 1, 2, 3 is in arithmetic progression because the common difference between the consecutive terms is same. 2, 4, 6 is an arithmetic progression. Again, the common difference between the consecutive terms is same. Let the elements of A be in arithmetic progression, and let it also be something like A is inversely proportional to B, right? Let it also be something like A is inversely proportional to B. Now, can I say that if A is inversely proportional to B, then B will be inversely proportional to A, right? B will be inversely proportional to A. Both are same. That means B is nothing but 1 by A, right? B is nothing but 1 by A. If B is 1 by A, B1 will be nothing but 1 by A1. B2 will be nothing but 1 by A2. B3 will be nothing but 1 by A3. If A1, A2, A3 are in arithmetic progression, reciprocal of A1, A2, A3, which is nothing but 1 by A1, 1 by A2, 1 by A3, they will be in harmonic progression. Harmonic progression is nothing but the reciprocal of arithmetic progression. That means, can I say that very important point? It's a very important point, sir. Can I say that whenever A is inversely proportional to B, whenever A is inversely proportional to B, if A is in arithmetic progression, if A is in arithmetic progression, then B will definitely be in harmonic progression, or vice versa is also true. What is vice versa? If B is in arithmetic progression, then A will definitely be in harmonic progression. Or in simple language, I can say that whenever any two parameters are inversely proportional, let it not be only A and B, let any two parameters be inversely proportional. If any two parameters are inversely proportional, if one parameter is in arithmetic progression, the other parameter will definitely be in harmonic progression. In time, speed and distance also, if the distance is constant, speed and time will be inversely proportional to each other. If speed is inversely proportional to time, whenever speed is in arithmetic progression, time period will definitely be in harmonic progression. Or if time is in arithmetic progression, speed will definitely be in harmonic progression. First point, concept number 1 should be very clear for my students. I believe first concept is very clear for you people. That is point number 1. Point number 2, listen carefully, sir. Point number 2, we have studied the second point in our 7th or 8th standard textbooks. What is the second point? If A, B and C, if A, B and C, if they are in harmonic progression, if A, B and C are in harmonic progression, then this middle value B, this middle value B is called, then middle value B is called harmonic mean. Harmonic mean of other two values A and C, and that B is given by the notation 2AC divided by A plus C. Very important point. If A, B and C are in harmonic progression, then the middle value B is given by the notation 2AC by A plus C, and that B is called the harmonic mean of the other two values A and C. I hope the idea is very clear, sir, using these two key points. First key point is, if any two parameters are inversely proportional to each other, if one parameter is in arithmetic progression, the other parameter will definitely be in harmonic progression. And the second key point is, if three parameters A, B and C are in harmonic progression, middle value B is given by 2AC by A plus C, and B is said to be harmonic mean of A and C, right? Harmonic mean of A and C, right? I hope the idea is very clear. This is the concept. Let us understand how to implement this concept in solving our problems. I hope the concept is first clear for my students. First comment in the live chat, sir. First, let me understand if the concept is clear for you guys. If concept itself is not clear, let us not start with problems. Kindly comment in the live chat. Anyway, very easy to remember, not that difficulty to remember. If speed is in AP, time period will be in HP. If time is in AP, speed will be in HP. That is the first concept, provided they are in inversely proportional to each other. Second one is, if A, B and C are in harmonic progression, middle value B is harmonic mean of A and C, and it is given by 2AC by A plus C. Chalo sir, let us move on to our problem solving in this particular concept. Listen to this very carefully. Problems are extremely important, and you can solve some of the difficult questions in the most easiest way possible. I will try my level best to take the same concept to solve boards and stream questions, not only in today's class but boards and stream topic also in the further in future, right? Listen carefully, sir. Sham Babu, it's very easy, sir. First part is, any two parameters are inversely proportional. One is in AP, other will be in HP. Simple to remember. Now let us start with the problems. Now listen carefully, sir. I will take some of the original examination questions, and that too some of the original CAT examination questions. Please remember, CAT is considered as one of the toughest examinations in India. Listen carefully, sir. See this question. Now see this question, first question of today's class. Let us first read the question, understand it, and then solve it. If a man cycles at 10 kilometers per hour, then he arrives at a certain place at 1 p.m. That means what they are saying is, if he is traveling at 10 kilometers per hour speed, he will reach the destination at 1 p.m. This is the first statement. If he cycles at 15 kilometers per hour, if he is cycling at 15 kilometers per hour speed, he will arrive at the same place. He will arrive at the same place. That means the destination remains the same at 11 a.m. Right? Destination remains the same. He will reach at 11 a.m. At what speed must he cycle to get there at noon? That means if he want to reach there at noon, which is nothing but 12 p.m., at what speed should he cycle is the question. What is the speed that he needs to travel with is the question. Now, I don't know how many students who are listening to this class has attended my previous session on time, speed and distance, which happened a couple of days before. In that particular class, exactly same question I have already discussed. If you remember, same question, exact question I have already discussed in my previous class. I will use that question as my method 1. Whatever the method I discussed there, I will teach you one more time so that that acts as my method 1. Please remember, sir, this is the original CAT 2004 question, right? This is the original CAT 2004 question. I already made it very clear at the starting of my class. Please avoid posting your answers. You can cross check your answer after the problem is completed. Kindly avoid posting your answers in the live chat. Now see here, sir. What is the methodology which we implemented in our previous class for this kind of problem? 10 kilometers per hour, 15 kilometers per hour. Distance between two parameters is constant. I will assume the distance as LCM of 10 and 15. Same method we solved so many questions in our previous class. LCM of 10 and 15 is 30 kilometers. First day, in 1 hour he will cover 10 kilometers. To cover 30 kilometers he will take 2 hours, 3 hours. Second day, in 1 hour he will cover 15 kilometers. To cover 30 kilometers he will take 2 hours. First day he takes 3 hours. Second day he takes 2 hours. What is the difference in time in both the days? Difference in time in both the days is 3 hours and 2 hours. Difference is nothing but 1 hour. Right? Difference is nothing but 1 hour. Similarly, according to my assumption, what is the distance between both the ends? According to my assumption, it is 30 kilometers. But according to the question, according to my assumption, difference is 1 hour. According to the question, 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. What is the difference? It is 2 hours. 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. difference is 2 hours. 1 is becoming 2. Multiply by 2. 30 also multiply by 2. 30 into 2 is how much? It is 60 kilometers. That means distance that needs to be traveled is 60 kilometers. Distance that needs to be traveled is 60 kilometers. But the question is not asking for distance. Question is asking for speed. Now, how to calculate the speed? This variety of question we have already discussed in our previous class, sir. How to calculate the speed? Speed I need to calculate. Now see here, sir. What can I do for speed? Very, very easy. You take the first condition or you take the second condition. Either ways you will get the same answer. Total distance I need to cover is 60 kilometers. If I take the first condition, in 1 hour I will cover 10 kilometers. In 1 hour I will cover 10 kilometers. To cover 60 kilometers, he will take 6 hours. Right? He will take 6 hours. That means if he is traveling at 10 kilometers per hour speed, total number of hours traveled is 6 hours, right? Total number of hours traveled is 6 hours. Now, when he has traveled for 6 hours, he will see his watch. His watch will show 1 p.m. When he has traveled for 6 hours, his watch is showing 1 o'clock. But 12 o'clock is what I require. At 1 o'clock he has traveled for 6 hours. At 12 o'clock, which is 1 hour less than 1 o'clock, he would have traveled for how many hours? He would have traveled for 5 hours. That means for this condition I need the speed. Speed is the distance by time. Distance that needs to be traveled is still 60 only, and he will travel for 5 hours if he wants to reach at 12 o'clock. 60 by 5 is 12 kilometers per hour. Answer for this question is 12 kilometers per hour. People who have posted the answer as 12 kilometers per hour, your answer is right, sir, but kindly avoid posting your answers is my only request. I hope the idea is clear for everyone, sir. Idea is very, very clear, I believe. Idea should be very, very clear. This is the method what we have discussed in our previous class, but the same problem which is one of the CAT examination 2004 question, how we can solve it within seconds, that is my method 2. That we will discuss in method 2. Now listen carefully, sir. Let me switch on to method 2 for the same question. Same CAT 2004 question, method 2. Listen carefully. Now let me write it. If a person is traveling at 10 kilometers per hour, he will reach at 1 p.m. If he is traveling at 15 kilometers per hour speed, he will reach at 11 a.m. If he want to reach at 12 noon, at what speed should he travel? Now see here, sir. Please have this observation. It will make you it will make your problem very, very easy. Now see here. The left hand side is the speed, right hand side is time period. Can I say that 11, 12 and 1, the common difference between the consecutive terms is 1. 11, 12 and 1, they are in arithmetic progression. That means time periods are in arithmetic progression. In the question they have mentioned that same place. That means the distance is constant. Time period is in arithmetic progression. If the time period is in arithmetic progression, speeds should be in harmonic progression. In my just 5 minutes or 10 minutes before I explained this concept, if time is in arithmetic progression, speeds will be in harmonic progression. In harmonic progression, the middle value B, this middle value is given by 2 into A into C. A is 10, B is 15, divided by A plus C. 10 plus 15 is 25. Simplify this, you will get the same answer. 5 into 2, 5 into 5, 5 into 1, 5 into 3. 4 into 3 is how much? 12 kilometer per hour. Very, very easy way of solving question if you are aware of arithmetic mean and harmonic mean concept. Very easily you can solve this question, sir. If speeds are in arithmetic progression, time will be in harmonic progression. But in this question, time is in arithmetic progression. 11, 12 and 1, they are in arithmetic progression. So speeds should be in harmonic progression. In harmonic progression, middle value is given by 2 into A is 10, C is 15, divided by A plus C. 10 plus 15 is 25. Simplify, you will get the same answer. Srivalli and Rajesh, method 1, I already explained you 2 questions in my previous class. Again I repeated, probably thinking that you might have forgotten or you are a new student. I cannot keep repeating the same thing, sir. I am sorry. You should have understood it at the first shot. That is the reason many people will actually go for our video course. No headache of missing out the key points. You can watch it unlimited number of times. But I cannot say you unlimited number of times in the live class because so many other students are also there. I need to take care of everyone. I also need to take care of covering more and more varieties of questions. I hope the idea is clear for the first question. Please remember, sir, this is your original CAT 2004 question. I am emphasizing on this point very much because I know that my students can crack it if you think you can. If you think you can, definitely you can crack it. Be it CAT exam, be it SBA exam, be it IBPS exam, be it placement, whatever it is. I am showing you one more time, Sandeep Kumar. Method 1 slide I am showing you. This is the slide for method 1. Venugopal, how 11, 12 and 1 are in arithmetic progression. That is a concept of 8th standard textbook, sir. Whenever I send any message in my WhatsApp groups to all the students, there will be a disclaimer at the below. That disclaimer says please go through your basics before attending ANIL NAIR classes sessions. Those are basics. You need to know some of the basics, sir. Everything I cannot spoon feed. Having said that, I am just telling one more time. I am just telling for you. But probably I expect you to have some basic understanding. This is applies for every student. Venugopal, this is for you, sir. 11 and 12. Consecutive terms difference is 1. 12 and 1. Consecutive term difference is 1. They both are having the same difference. They are in arithmetic progression. 2, 4, 6. Difference 2, difference 2. Common difference is 2. 3, 6, 9, 12. Difference is 3, difference is 3, difference is 3. Common difference is 3. Such kind of numbers are called as arithmetic progression numbers, or that kind of series is called as arithmetic progression series. Venugopal, I believe it is clear, sir. But having said that, I request each and every student to have little basic understanding before attending ANIL NAIR classes, YouTube classes. I am making it as simple as possible, but please do not expect me to spoon feed addition, subtraction and other basic things, sir. I hope the idea is clear, sir. Second question. Second question. Again a very beautiful question. Listen to this carefully, sir. I will again solve it in two methods. Second question. Now see here, in my first question, time periods are given. They have given the time periods as 1 p.m., 12 p.m. and 11 p.m. So I understood the common difference is 1. Here also difference is 1, right? So I understood that it is in arithmetic progression. Listen to second question. Again I will say two methods. Please avoid putting answers for second question also, sir. I am telling you before I draft the second question. Now please see this question. Your second question is A, B, C leave point P one after the other in the given order. That means in that order itself they will start going, right, from point P. Okay, let me write the diagram for your better understanding. There are three people A, B, C who are starting from P and going to Q. These three people A, B, C are going in this order itself. First A will go, then B will go, then C will go. That is the meaning. And then the very important point. Okay, sir. Let me first eliminate the echo issue. And then let me come back to this problem. Good that I saw the live chat. I'll eliminate it, sir. No worries. Now kindly check for the audio, sir. Is it clear? Is the audio clear? Now check for the audio connectivity, sir. I probably think that it should be clear right now. Is the audio clear, sir? Sandeep Kumar says it is clear. Abhishek says clear. Deepak says clear. Many people says it is clear. Very good. Good that this is the advantage of keeping my mobile next to me with my class on, so that I can see the live chat immediately and respond to it. Very good. Most of the people says that it is clear. Chalo, sir. Let us continue with the problem. Now see this question. A, B, C leave point P one after the other in the given order. That means there are three people A, B and C. They will start from point P, they will reach point Q, and they will leave one after the other in that order itself. First A will start, then B will start, and then only C will start. That is the meaning of this statement. Read the next statement. With equal time intervals between their departure. With equal time intervals between their departure. That means, suppose first A will start at some time. After 1 hour B will start. If B is starting after 1 hour after A is starting, then C also should start. after 1 hour after B starts. Let me explain you when I start solving this problem. Don't worry about it. Now let us again continue the question. If all three simultaneously meet at Q, all the three people will meet at Q simultaneously, given that the speed of A and C is 30 and 60 kilometers per hour respectively. Find the speed of B, right? Find the speed of B. I have already mentioned here that this is my method 1. Listen carefully, sir. I will solve it in 2 methods. Whichever the method which you are comfortable, please follow that particular method. Now see here. Let me write it. It is given that the speed of A is 30 kilometers per hour and speed of C is 60 kilometers per hour. Right? Speed of C is 60 kilometers per hour. Now, can I say that the distance between P and Q is constant? Because the distance is constant, I will assume the distance as LCM of 30 and 60. I am assuming the distance to be 60 kilometers. If I assume the distance to be 60 kilometers, A, in 1 hour he will cover 30. To cover 60 he will take 2 hours. C, in 1 hour he will cover 60. To cover 60 he will take 1 hour. Now, can I say that what is the difference in the time between 2 hours and 1 hour? According to my assumption, difference between 2 hours and 1 hour is 1 hour. Similarly, distance between P and Q is 60 kilometers. This entire thing is according to my assumption, right? This entire thing is according to my assumption. But let us find what is the difference in time according to the question. Now, see here, sir. Very important point is A, B, C leave point P one after the other in the given order with equal time intervals between their departure. That means, can I say that if A starts at 9 o'clock in the morning, for example, and B starts at 11 o'clock in the morning, for example, suppose if I take this scenario, for example, can I say that B is starting 2 hours after A, then C also should start 2 hours after B. After B, 2 hours C should start. That means C will start the journey at 1 p.m. Why I am taking like this? Because it is given in the question as with equal time intervals between their departure. That means the gap between A and B is 2 hours. The gap between B and C should also be 2 hours. Sir, why are you taking 2 hours as the difference? Can I solve this question by taking 1 hour as the difference? Yes, you can solve. Finally, you will get the same answer. You take it as 9 a.m., 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. You will still end up with the same answer. Or you can take difference as 1.5 hours. Whatever you like, you take it, sir. I took a small example as 2 hours. Now, according to my assumption, difference between the time is 1 hour. But according to the question, what is the difference in time between A and C? 9 o'clock and 1 o'clock. What is the difference? It is 4 hours. According to my assumption, it is 1 hour. According to question, it is 9 o'clock and 1 o'clock. Difference is 4 hours. 1 is becoming 4. Multiply by 4. 60 also multiply by 4. 60 into 4 is how much? 240 kilometers. That means actual distance that needs to be traveled is it is 240 kilometers. Now think little logically, sir. Can I say that speed of A is nothing but 30 kilometers per hour. In 1 hour he will cover 30 kilometers. To cover 240 kilometers, A will totally take 8 hours, right? Similarly, speed of C is 60 kilometers per hour. In 1 hour he will cover 60. To cover 240, he will take 4 hours, right? I believe that you are able to understand. Now, again think logically. 9 o'clock means A is starting at 9 o'clock. He will travel for 8 hours. That means he will reach point Q at 5 p.m. From 9 o'clock, 8 hours means what is the time? It will be 5 p.m. Similarly, C is starting at 1 o'clock. He will travel for 4 hours. From 1 o'clock, if he travels for 4 hours, he will also reach at 5 p.m. Anyway, it is given in the question that all the three will simultaneously meet at Q. Now think logically. B also should meet at 5 p.m. He starts his journey at 11 o'clock. From 11 o'clock, how many hours if he travels? He will reach at 5 p.m. he needs to travel for 6 hours. That means speed is equal to distance by time. Speed of B is distance that B needs to travel is 240 kilometers. Time that he needs to travel is 6 hours. 240 divided by 6 is 40 kilometers per hour. Answer for this particular question in method 1, I solved it as of now. It is 40 kilometers per hour. I believe the idea is very clear, sir. If any student he is listening to my class for the first time today, this problem might be little difficult for you to digest at the first shot, because you missed out so many varieties of questions, similar varieties of questions in finding the distance in my previous classes. Just keep on listening, sir. Do not leave any of my classes, and I believe that I can create miracles in you people. I can create miracles in you people from my classes, and I have done it to so many students. I believe method 1 is clear, sir. Method 1 is the method what we implemented or learnt in first 2 classes of time, speed and distance. Same method I used here. Gopinath, instead of AC, actual distance can I put AB? First thing, Gopinath, distance is P cube here, not AB or AC. A is a person, B is another person, C is another person. The points are P and Q, Gopinath. So your statement what you said cannot be holding good in this particular question. Beautiful way of problem solving, sir. And I am damn sure that you will enjoy this class. If you apply this methodologies, I am damn sure that you can solve these questions probably within 10 to 15 seconds in your examination. Only Sandeep Kumar has commented as clear. What about other people not interested in commenting? If so, I will never ask you people, sir. I will keep taking the class continuously, and I will not even care for your doubts also if that is the case. No problem for me. Why should I keep repeating that statement? Is it clear? Is it clear? If it is not clear, probably to explain one more time. Anil Naik is not clear. TA is not clear, Anil Naik. Okay, let me explain you that. Now, Anil, there is no need for you to take it as 9 AM for TA. You can take anything better. TA, you can take it as 8 AM also. TB, you can take it as 9 AM. If you are giving a gap of 1 hour between these two, between B and C also, you should give 1 hour. Finally, you will end up with the same answer. Dinesh, speed will definitely not be different, sir. Why will the speed be different? If you take 1 hour gap also, speed still remains the same. Let me explain you, Dinesh. Suppose if I take 1 hour. 8 AM, 9 AM and 10 AM. Now, this is nothing but A is given as 30 kilometers per hour. Let me explain you, Dinesh. C is given as 60 only, right, sir? Yes, C is given as 60 kilometers per hour. Distance, I assumed it as 60 kilometers. First day 2 hours, second day 1 hour. Difference in time in 1 hour. That means if my assumption is 60 kilometers distance, time will be 1 hour, right? Time will be 1 hour. Now think logically. This is where Dinesh might have made mistake. Now see here, Dinesh. Can I say that 30 kilometers is what I am trying to do in 1 hour? It is 1 hour 30 kilometers, Dinesh, right? It is 1 hour 30 kilometers. Now, to cover 60 kilometers, A will take 2 hours, right? A will take 2 hours. See, in 1 hour 60, to cover 60 kilometers, A would have taken 1 hour, right? I believe, Dinesh, it is clear, sir. To cover 60, A would have taken 1 hour in this case. Now, can I also say like this? Can I say that from 8 o'clock it is, okay, let me do like this, sir. Same analogy I will implement so that Dinesh will not get confused, and any other person who is having the same doubt of Dinesh will not get confused. What is the thing which I did here? I made it as 240 kilometers distance. Let us first find the distance. 2 hours and 1 hour. 2 hours and 1 hour. What is the, okay, so it is 10 o'clock and 8 o'clock. What is the difference, Dinesh? it is 2 hours. It is 2 hours. But that means 1 into 2 is 2. 60 into 2 is 120. That means actual distance that he needs to cover is 120 kilometers, Dinesh. Now see this. 120 kilometers means 1 hour it is 30. To cover 120 it is 4 hours. 1 hour it is 60. To cover 120 it is 2 hours, Dinesh. Right? It is 2 hours. Now think logically. 8 o'clock A is starting. He will travel for 4 hours. That means he will reach at 12 p.m. Right? He will reach at 12 p.m. 9 o'clock he is starting. 9 o'clock he is starting. That means 1 hour later he is starting. That means he will reach 1 hour late. Simple. From 9 o'clock he will travel, or 10 o'clock he will travel for 2 hours and he will also reach at 12 p.m. Similarly, 9 o'clock this person is starting. If he starts at 9 o'clock, how many hours he needs to travel? He needs to travel for 3 hours, right? Then only he will reach at 12 o'clock. Speed is nothing but distance by time. Distance is 120, he will travel for 3 hours. 120 by 3 is 40 kilometers per hour only, right, sir? Dinesh, I believe it is clear. You use any timing here. I think Anil Naik also should be clear with this logic right now. Don't take 9, 11 and 1. See, idea given is equal time intervals between their departure. That is the important point. You take 2 hours gap between each departure, or 1 hour gap between each departure, or make it into complex problem by taking fractional value as 1.5 hours. Anything you take it. TA, how you took 8 hours. Anil Naik, I repeated 2 times, sir. This is something you need to understand, beta. You take any value, beta. I am not taking some value according to question. Anything you take. I proved it with 2 examples, right? Anil Naik, you take 9, 11 and 1, or you take 8, 9 and 10, or you take 10 o'clock, 1 o'clock and 4 o'clock. Everything will give you the same answer, beta. Don't worry why we are taking 8 initially. Anything you take, whatever timings you like, take. You are born at so and so timings in this world. Take that timing, still your answer will be same only. Anil, I hope it is clear, sir. 8 o'clock is not a special rocket science here, Anil. I believe is it clear? Please comment. Anything you take. In fact, because of your doubt only, I took another example, 8 o'clock, because of yours and Dinesh doubt. You try with 10, 1 and 4, Anil. Still you will get the same answer. Chalo, sir. This is my method 1. But method 1, probably like Anil got confused, some other students also might get confused. Right? Some other students also might get confused while solving this kind of problem. But anyway, this method also is to be known. Very, very important. Now see method 2. Within second you will get the answer. Within second you will get the answer. Now listen carefully, sir. They are saying that speed of A is 30 kilometers per hour. Speed of B, I don't know, which I need to find it. Speed of C is 60 kilometers per hour. And it is also given that time gap between A and B and time gap between B and C, it is the same, right? Whatever time gap you are taking for A and B, same time gap you should take for B and C, because it is given in the question that equal time intervals between their departure. That means consecutive terms difference is becoming same. That means time periods are in arithmetic progression. Time periods are in arithmetic progression. If time periods are in arithmetic progression, speeds definitely should be in harmonic progression. Speeds should be in harmonic progression. Middle value is given by 2 into A into C divided by A plus C. 30 plus 60 is 90. 30 into 1, 30 into 3. 3 into 1, 3 into 20. What is 2 into 20? 40 kilometer per hour. Anything, whatever you like, you do it, sir. That is the beauty of learning through Anil Nair classes. I will teach you method 1, I will teach you method 2. But both the methods will be extraordinary methods. I will not teach you a method which involves variables or formulas. That is the beauty of Anil Nair classes. I believe it is clear, sir. Naveen, the medium of communication will be English. I also love speaking in Kannada because that is my mother tongue. There are so many Kannada people also might be watching the video, but I cannot do injustice to other people also, right sir? English is one common language which everyone needs to know. So please try to understand as much as possible in English, sir. I cannot switch my language to my mother tongue, which is Kannada, or probably your language, which is Telugu. Every language is a beautiful language, but having said that, in the class we will respect English because that is the medium of communication. I hope the idea is clear, sir. Idea should be very, very clear. Now, this methodology, this is not an examination question, sir. This is not an exam question, but same concept. Let us see how beautifully we can solve for an original CAT examination question. For an original CAT examination question, let us solve. See here, sir. Original CAT 2006 question. Same question I am discussing right now in two methods once again for you people. Now listen carefully, sir. Let me read the question. Arun, Barun and Kiran Mala start from the same place and travel in the same direction at speeds of 30, 40 and 60 kilometers per hour respectively. Let us write statement by statement. There are three people, Arun, Barun and Kiran Mala. Anil Naik, kindly listen to this particular problem carefully, sir, because this might be helping you to clear your doubt in the previous question. The speeds are given, I just now wrote it. Before I do something else with this question or continue reading the question, let me find out what all I can find. LCM of 30, 40 and 60 is 120 kilometers. I am assuming the distance as 120 kilometers. If I assume the distance as 120 kilometers, first day in 1 hour he will cover 30. To cover 120 he will take 4 hours. In 1 hour B will cover 40. To cover 120 he will take 3 hours. In 1 hour K will cover 60. To cover 120 he will take 2 hours. Now read the next statement. The next statement of this question says Barun starts 2 hours after Arun. That means Barun starts 2 hours after Arun. According to the question, the time gap between Barun and Arun is 2 hours. According to the gap between Barun and Arun is 2 hours. If Barun and Kiran Mala overtake Arun at the same instant, how many hours after Arun did Kiran Mala start? That means, can I say that they are asking you how many hours after Arun did Kiran Mala start? Arun and Kiran Mala time gap they are asking you in this question. Now see here, sir. According to the question, the time gap between A and B is 2 hours. But according to my assumption, what is the time gap between A and B? A will take 4 hours. B will take 3 hours. According to my assumption, time gap between A and B is 1 hour. But according to the question, it is 2 hours. 1 hour should become 2 hours. Multiply by 2. 4 also multiply by 2. Arun will take 8 hours to reach the destination. Barun will take 6 hours to reach the destination. Kiran Mala will take 4 hours to reach the destination. Now, if you check Arun and Barun, the time gap as of now is 2 hours. Right? Now, what is the question? Your question is, how many hours after Arun did Kiran Mala start? That means the time gap between A and C is what they are asking. A is 8 hours. C is 4 hours. 8 hours, 4 hours. What is the time gap? It is 4 hours. How beautiful the question can be, sir. How beautiful the question can be. This is exactly, you need to watch all my videos, and I keep repeating this. I will definitely help my students in whatever the best possible way so that they will reach whatever they want to reach it. And I am damn sure that listening to all my classes, listening to all of Anil sir classes, and listening to some of the people who takes reasoning and verbal classes, who are from Oxford University and Stanford University, one of the best universities in the world. I think you can definitely achieve your goal of clearing your competitive exams, sir. I believe it is very very clear for you. One more time I am repeating because some people said that it is buffering. I am saying here, sir, 1 hour 30 to cover 124 hours, 1 hour 40 to cover 123 hours, 1 hour 60 to cover 122 hours. Now question says in the question it is said that Barun starts 2 hours after Arun. That means the time gap between Barun and Arun, it is 2 hours. Time gap between Barun and Arun is 2 hours according to the question. But according to my assumption, Arun is 4 hours, Barun is 3 hours. Time gap between 4 and 3 is 1 hour. According to my assumption, it is 1 hour. According to question, it is 2 hours. Multiply by 2. Everything multiply by 2. 4 into 2 is 8, 3 into 2 is 6, 2 into 2 is 4. The question is, how many hours after Arun did Kiranmala start? Arun and Kiranmala, you need to check it out. Arun is 8 hours, Kiranmala is 4 hours. 4 hours and 8 hours. Gap is 4 hours. This is my method 1 to solve original CAT 2006 question. I believe idea is clear, sir. I believe that the idea is clear. Kindly comment in the live chat, sir. It should be very very clear. Kindly comment, sir. This is my method 1. Priyank says idea is very crystal clear. Very good, sir. Kindly share this YouTube link, sir. We are still in our third problem of today's class. We have so many other questions also to be discussed in today's class. Let students enjoy this class. Your enjoyment with this class probably help reach millions of people also to enjoy this class. Kindly share it if you have not shared it. Anil Naik is clear right now. Very good, sir. How you have considered 4, 3 and 2, Rakshita? Very easy, ma. 1 hour it is 30. 120 means it is 4 hours. 1 hour it is 40. 120 means 3 hours. Similarly, 1 hour 60, 120 is 2 hours. Now see here, sir. The same original CAT 2006 question, let us solve it in another method. I have already mentioned the speeds of Arun, Barun and Kiranmala in this method. Now see here, sir. Listen carefully. Arun, Barun and Kiranmala I have already mentioned. Can I say that they are saying that Barun starts 2 hours after Arun. Barun starts 2 hours after Arun. The time gap between Barun and Arun is, it is given as 2 hours in this question. If Barun and Kiranmala overtake Arun at the same instant, how many hours after Arun did Kiranmala start? Now, Kamlakar has asked a question. Why it is this statement is important? If Barun and Kiranmala overtake Arun at the same instant, that means that all the 3 people will reach the destination at the same time. That is the meaning of it. All the 3 will reach the other side of the destination at the same time. Definitely time is constant in this question. So, how many hours after Arun did Kiranmala start? Arun and Kiranmala is what they are asking you, right? Now see here, sir. Now see here. Is it buffering, sir? Why is that it is buffering? Internet speed is very very good. Okay, let me check it out. Give me a minute, sir. Let me check it out. Internet is also very good. Hold on, sir, I have not completed the problem and I already is working in this buffering issue. People who have not commented need not comment as buffering again. Many people have said. I am just checking it. No, it is not raining actually. One minute, sir. I'll be back in a minute. Just wait for a minute, sir. Kindly refresh your page now. Refresh your page and check it out. Probably it should be good enough. If you are watching in your mobile app of YouTube, kindly kill the YouTube app and relaunch the YouTube app. Now see here, sir. Method 2. Arun, Barun and Kiranmala start from the same place and travel in the same direction at speeds of 30, 40 and 60 kilometers per hour respectively. I already wrote that information here. Now the next statement says Barun starts 2 hours after Arun. That means the time gap between Barun and Arun. The time gap between Barun and Arun is given as 2 hours. Now the next statement says if Barun and Kiranmala overtake Arun at the same instant, the meaning of this statement is if Barun and Kiranmala overtake Arun at the same instant means it means that all the 3 people will reach the destination at the same time. Your question is how many hours after Arun did Kiranmala start? How many hours after Arun did Kiranmala start? Time gap between A and K they are asking. Time gap between A and K is what they are asking. Now see here, sir. These 30, 40 and 60, they are not in arithmetic progression. Why they are not in arithmetic progression? Because the common difference is not the same. 30 and 40 difference is 10. 40 and 60 difference is not 10, it is 20. Speeds are not in arithmetic progression. Although the speeds are not in arithmetic progression, just check whether the speeds are in harmonic progression. Just check it out once, sir. Harmonic progression is this middle value 40 is given by 2 into A 30 into C 60 divided by A plus C. 30 plus 60 is 90. 30 into 3 is 90. 3 into 20 is 60. 2 into 20 is 40. 40 is equal to 40. That means can I say that speeds are in harmonic progression? speeds are in harmonic progression. If the speeds are in harmonic progression, time period should definitely be in arithmetic progression because the distance is constant. Time period should be in arithmetic progression. The common difference, the difference between A and B is 2 hours. B and K should also be 2 hours because arithmetic progression common difference should be same. But they are asking for A and K. A and K should be 2 hours and another 2 hours. What should be the answer? It should be 4 hours. One of the classical ways of solving problem by using arithmetic mean and harmonic mean progressions. Harmonic mean concept. I believe that the idea is very clear for you people. Method 1 also I thought you a beautiful method. Method 2 also I thought you a beautiful method. Both the methods are extremely beautiful methods. You decide the method which you are comfortable with. I believe the idea is clear, sir. I think echoing also should be reduced or eliminated now. Please check it out. Small echo things, please. Probably I request you to adjust with it, sir. It will echo for a time being and it will come back again within 15 to 20 seconds of time. If we keep rectifying the technical issue, we will never complete the class. Small thing, please adjust it. That is my request. A beautiful cat 2006 question is what we solved just now. Now please see this next question, sir. Before solving the next question, I am sure that you are aware of this concept called as relative speed. I will not be going in detail with the concept of relative speed as of now, which I will explain you in detail in trains concept. But I will just give you a direction. Suppose for example, a train is moving in this direction, right? A train is moving in this direction with a speed of t. Another person is moving in the same direction with a speed of p, right? With a speed of p. If two bodies are moving in the same direction, relative speed is t minus p. Relative speed will be difference between the speeds. If two parameters or two bodies are moving in the same direction, if two bodies are moving in the opposite direction, then the relative speed is nothing but the sum of the speed. The concept, entire understanding why it is difference, why it is sum, we will see when we take trains problems. That is a different class in time, speed and distance. When we take that particular class, we will see why it is difference, why it is sum. But as of now, same direction is difference, different direction is sum. Please remember this simple concept. Now see this next question, sir. Again a very beautiful question which can be solved so easily by using relative speed concept and also AM and HM concept. See this question. The question looks very difficult because it is very lengthy, but it's a very easy question. Let us understand it. A boy is walking along the direction of two parallel railway tracks. On one of these tracks, trains are going on one direction at equal intervals. On the other track, trains are going in the opposite direction at the same equal intervals. The speed of every train is same. In one direction, a train crosses the boy every 20 seconds, and in the opposite direction, the train passes the boy in every 30 seconds. If the boy stands still beside the tracks at intervals of how many will two consecutive trains going in the same direction cross him? Let us read again and let us understand it so beautifully, sir. What is that they are trying to say you in this question? They are trying to say you that suppose for example there is a train. The speed of this train is S1. The speed of this train is S1. This train S1 is moving in this direction, and there is another person. There is a person. The speed of this person, I will call it as S2. S2 is also moving in the same direction. Read the question, sir. In one direction, a train crosses the boy every 20 minutes. That means the train will in one direction, the train will cross this boy in how much time? 20 minutes. Because it is in same direction, relative speed between these two bodies, train and the human being, it is in the difference of the speeds. S1 minus S2, the speed is, the time is given as 20 seconds, right? It is given as 20 seconds. Now read the next statement. Next statement says, and in the opposite direction, the train passes the boy every 30 seconds. That means, can I say that the train, it is moving with the speed of S1. Suppose it is moving in this direction, and the boy is moving with the speed of S2 in the opposite direction. In the opposite direction, the train passes the boy every 30 seconds. Opposite direction means relative speed is the sum of the speed. The time is given as 30 seconds, right? The time is given as 30 seconds. How beautifully you can solve this question, sir. If the boy stands still beside the tracks, that means if the boy stands still beside the tracks, okay, it is seconds or minutes, it makes no difference, sir. Do not worry about the unit. So it is 20 minutes and it is given as 30 minutes. Let us not worry about that. It anyway does not matter in this question. If the boy stands still beside the tracks, that means train is moving with a speed of S1, the boy will still stand still. The meaning is the boy will not move. Speed of boy is 0. That means it is only S1. At intervals of how many? How much time he will take? The train will take. Will two consecutive trains going in the same direction cross him? Beautiful question. It's an excellent question which involves a beautiful usage of AM and HM. Can I say that you take any parameter, sir? Can I say that A minus D, A plus D, this will always be in arithmetic progression, because the common difference between the consecutive terms will be same. A minus D, A plus B will always be in arithmetic progression. Similarly, S1 minus S2, S1 plus S2, it will always be in arithmetic progression. That means the speeds are in arithmetic progression. If the speeds are in arithmetic progression, time period will definitely be in harmonic progression. Harmonic progression means the middle value question mark, it is given by the notation 2 into A into C divided by A plus C, 20 plus 30. If I simplify, this will become 5 into 1, 5 into 6, 6 into 2 into 2 is answer for this beautiful question is 24 minutes. How easily you can solve by using this concept of AM and HM. Simple, sir. In one direction it will take 20 minutes. In opposite direction it will take 30 minutes. If the boy is not moving, how much time it will take for the train to cross him? Speeds are in arithmetic progression, time period will definitely be in harmonic progression. Simple problems, don't make it complex by using so many variables and so many formulas, sir. This is my sincere request. Start watching ANIL NAIR classes YouTube channel. I am damn sure, I keep repeating this statement, I am damn sure you will succeed with practice. With practice, you will definitely succeed applying these concepts. And people who have listened to this concept earlier, these are all new questions which I did not include in my previous class. I believe you are very, very clear, sir. I believe it is very, very clear for you people. Now, Rajshekhar, whatever it is, sir, whatever it is, suppose, okay, anyway, whatever I have written is correct only. Suppose, for example, S1 minus S2 is 30, S1 plus S2 is 20. Still answer remains same, right, sir? Uma Shankar, please explain one more time quickly. Please listen to my next two problems, sir. Apply the same concept here. Idea clear? See the next question, sir. This is the beauty of learning through concepts. Now see here. Suppose, let me read the question first. Let me read the question. It's a original question on boats and stream. It takes 60 seconds for the boat to reach the other end along the direction of the stream. That means the meaning is the boat is moving with a speed of b in this direction. Water is also moving with a speed of w in the same direction. Then the speed will be b plus w. The water will help the boat to reach the destination because it is moving in the same direction. Speed is b plus w. Such kind of speed we will call it as downstream speed. How much time it will take according to question? It will take 60 seconds for the boat to reach the destination. Similarly, next statement says, and 90 seconds for the boat to reach the other end against the stream. That means boat is moving in this direction with a speed of b. Water is flowing in this opposite direction with a speed of w. The speed is b minus w because the water will retard the direction or the speed of the boat. It will take 90 seconds according to the question. How long will the boat take to reach the other end in still water? Still water means, the meaning of still water means the speed of water is 0. The speed of water is negligible. Boat is alone moving with the speed of w. How much time it will take to reach the destination? Can I again say that a beautiful concept of AM and HM. This b plus w, b minus w. B plus w is downstream speed, b minus w is upstream speed. B is nothing but the speed of boat in still water. These speeds are in arithmetic progression. A plus d, a minus d. Same logic. If the speed is in arithmetic progression, the right hand side is time period. Time period will be in harmonic progression. Harmonic progression, the middle value is given by question mark is 2 into a into c. 2 into 60 into 90 divided by 60 plus 90. Simplify this, you will get the answer. How much time do you need for this to solve, sir? 30 into 2, 30 into 5, 5 into 18, 18 into 4 is 72 seconds. How beautifully you can draft the question. Any question in boats and streams, speeds will always be in arithmetic progression. Downstream speed, upstream speed. B is nothing but the speed of boat in still water. W is nothing but the speed of water or speed of stream or speed of water current. So many terminologies are there. Easily you can solve by using this session, question concept, sir. I believe the idea is very clear. Same concept whatever I used in this question for trains related question. I am using the same concept here for boats and streams questions. Boats and streams, downstream speed is b plus w, upstream speed is b minus w. B is nothing but the speed of boat in still water. W is nothing but speed of water current. B plus w, b minus w. Speeds will definitely be in arithmetic progression. So time period will definitely be in harmonic progression. And I am repeatedly saying you, sir. I am repeatedly saying you again and again before we move on to the next problem. Every concept, every problem, whatever we discussed, it will be an extraordinary way of solving. And this is not in only one topic called as time, speed and distance. You take any topic, time and work, people who have attended my 8.5 hours class will be able to correlate. Profit, loss and discount, averages which I had taken long back, mixtures and allegations, profit, loss and discount, simple interest, compound interest who has attended my class and Anil sir class, and SSC I have taken, in SSC basically, certs and indices I have taken close to 14 hours, and then trigonometry I have taken more than 12 hours of class. D.A.O I have taken close to 28 hours of class, 28 to 30 hours of class. From August to September we are planning LRDI sessions by Mr. Santosh. Close to 40 hours of LRDI classes will happen again. August to September itself. In this 2 months itself, 180 plus hours of content will be provided. So many things are going to happen in ANIL NAIR classes. You keep delaying the things of getting this beautiful content, you keep delaying your success. I will definitely say this statement, sir. because I have seen so many students struggling without having a quality content. I will definitely say this statement. Your delayment of getting this content and start watching all these videos is directly proportional to your delayment of your success. Probably I will say this because I have seen this so many students happening in their life, and thereafter repenting, saying that probably I think I will be getting this content right now at least and make it big in my life. Please start respecting this content, sir. These are all very hardened content, and these are all sweat equity. These are our sweat equity. We sweat, we bleed to get this kind of content for you people. We sweat and we bleed. You people don't know how much of struggles we go through it to prepare this kind of content for you people. You think that it's so easy. You will easily ask in a group, when is the next class, when is the next class, easily. We know how much of effort we are putting in developing this kind of content. Already 400 hours of content is ready-made, sir. Extraordinary content. 3 months validity was given long back. We made it to 6 months validity. Now we are giving 1 year validity, sir. We have reduced the price to so much of greatest extent. The same will be given at 20,000 plus in our website. You are getting at 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 change as of now. Still want to delay it, please delay it. I don't have any problem. I really don't have any problem if you still want to delay it. Ramesh Babu, when we take questions on boards and stream, we will correctly capitalize on those words. And just for your information, sir, just for your information, I have already started recording boards and streams. I have already started recording some extraordinary questions on boards and streams. Whenever I have time, during my free time, probably suppose for example I have 30 minutes of free time. If I have 30 minutes of free time, I will record 3 to 4 questions of beautiful questions on boards and streams. Like that, close to 1 hour 15 minutes content is already recorded on boards and streams. And I will record still so many hours of, still more hours of boards and streams I will record it. Because if I take a class on boards and streams, I need to sit for 2 hours or 2.5 hours continuously. But whenever I am getting time, I am recording for the good of students. All these videos, whatever I record in the back end, my digital team who record, who cut all these videos are working on it already. My back end team is working. It will be uploaded by probably maximum Friday for all the enrolled students who have enrolled for August 1st to September 31st package, sir. For all the enrolled students from August 1st to September 30th, this package, whoever has enrolled, by Friday or Saturday of next week, I will try to give you some of the extraordinary questions of boards and streams. Whenever I get time, I am recording for your good, so that I will give it for you people, sir. Next question. See here, sir. Again a beautiful question. See here. Don't believe in my words. Type the same exact question in Google. Check it out, the source. It is an original CAT 1994 question. Suppose, let me see here. Let me explain you. Suppose there is an escalator. Escalator is moving up with a speed of E. A man is also trying to move up with a speed of M. So it is M plus E. Escalator is helping the man to move up. It is M plus E. It is given in the question that a man can walk up a moving up escalator in 30 seconds. M plus E speed, it will be 30 seconds. Same like B plus W, it is M plus E here. Second scenario, escalator is moving up with a speed of E. Man is trying to come down with a speed of M. That means man is actually trying to do some mischievous things and he is trying to come down. So it will be taking more time, speed will reduce, it is M minus E. It is given in the question that the same man can walk down this moving up escalator in 90 seconds. It will take 90 seconds to come down that moving up escalator. The other case is Escalator is switched off. Escalator is switched off. Speed of escalator is 0. Man is alone to trying to move up. It is only the speed of man m. How much time he will take to reach the top of the escalator. Assume that his walking speed is same upwards and downwards. How much time he will take to walk up the escalator when the escalator is not moving, right? When the escalator is not moving. Same analogy, sir. This is the beauty of learning through concepts. Concepts only will take you forward. M plus E, M minus E. Speeds are in arithmetic progression. Time period should definitely be in harmonic progression. Harmonic progression. Time period should definitely be in harmonic progression. Middle value is given by 2 into 30 into 90 divided by A plus C, 30 plus 90. 30 into 1, 30 into 4. 4 into 1, 4 into 22.5. What is 2 into 22.5? It is 45 seconds. These are some of the excellent ways, sir. These are some of the excellent ways. You will never see this kind of concepts probably anywhere. And I am damn sure because we have done a research also. 1 or 2 concepts you can see here and there, but not all the concepts. All the concepts what we are discussing or what we will discuss in so many of our classes or what we had discussed earlier with 400 hours of bank or SSC package and CAT 550 hours of package. All are extraordinary concepts. I believe the idea is clear, sir. I believe the idea is clear. Keep watching for the, I told that the class will happen till 7:15 p.m. That is what I have mentioned in my SMS in WhatsApp groups. I will extend my class for the good of my students. I will definitely extend this class because I know the importance of this class. This class can create you actually. This class can create you. See this. See this question, sir. Another beautiful question in boats and streams again. Another beautiful question in boats and streams. A man can row upstream in 84 minutes. A man can row upstream in 84 minutes. Upstream speed is nothing but B minus W. It is given as 84 minutes. Time taken is given as 84 minutes. He can row the same distance downstream in 9 minutes less than he could row in still water. That means still water, suppose in still water he is taking T minutes. If he is taking T minutes to row in still water, downstream speed is B plus W. Time is, he would have taken 9 minutes less than he would have taken in still water. If he takes T minutes in still water, 9 minutes less he will take, which is T minus 9. And what is the question? How long will he take to row down with the stream? That means the downstream time is what they are asking you in this question. That means T minus 9 value is what they are asking you in this question. I believe the idea is clear. They are asking you T minus 9 in this question. They are definitely asking you how long will it take? How long will it take to row down with the stream? That is what they are asking you in this question. Now see here, sir. Now see here. The best way to solve this question is they are asking you the downstream time. If the question is the downstream time, answer also will represent, answer options also will represent the downstream time. 63 is nothing but downstream time. 63 is nothing but downstream time T minus 9. 74 is also downstream time T minus 9. 81 is now downstream time T minus 9. 70 is also downstream time T minus 9. Now, I don't like to work with downstream time. Let me work with T, right? That means to get T, I should add 9 for this answer option. T is nothing but 63 plus 9. For each and every answer option, convert the answer option in terms of T. Add 9. First option T is 72. Second option T is 83. Third option T is 90. Fourth option T is 79. I believe it is clear. Now, why did I write like this? Left hand side is in speed. Speed is in arithmetic progression. B minus W, B plus D. Definitely every time they will be in arithmetic progression. If speed is in arithmetic progression, time will be in harmonic progression. Middle value is t. That is the reason I converted everything in terms of t. If I go with first option, 72, middle value is b is 72, is 2ac, 2 into a is 84, c is t minus 9. T minus 9 is nothing but the answer option 63 divided by a plus c. 84 plus 63 is how much? It is 147. Now don't check whether you are getting the right or wrong by simplifying the right hand side. Use a common sense approach. If I cross multiply, 147 will come here. For one of the option I will write and show it to you. 72 into 147 is equal to 2 into 84 into 63. Can I say that? Work with a unit digit concept. 2 into 7 is 14. Unit digit on the left hand side is 4. 2 into 4 is 8. 8 into 3 is 24. 24, what is the unit digit? It is also 4. This may be the correct answer. I will hold with this option. Right? I will hold with this option. I am solving this by answer options, which does not actually take this much of time, how much ever I am taking right now. I am explaining you in detail, so it is taking time. Now, second, if I use t as 83, second option, middle value is 2ac by a plus c. T is 83. 83 is 2 into a is 84, into c. C is nothing but t minus 9, which is nothing but 74, divided by a plus c. 84 into plus 74 is, it is 158, right? It is 158. Now if I cross multiply, think logically, 3 into 8, it is 24. Unit digit on left hand side is 4. 2 into 4 is 8. 8 into 4 is 32. Unit digit on the right hand side is 2. It is not matching. Like that, check with unit digit. The other two options also will not match. Therefore, the first option is the correct answer. I have solved so many questions in my previous classes by using answer options, and I have also mentioned you so many times that answer options are the biggest clues in so many questions. If you cannot make use of your answer options, you will end up wasting too much of time in your examination. I believe that the idea is very, very clear for you. Sanchit, please refresh the page. Please do not keep asking the same thing again and again, sir. Whenever it is offline, refresh. Whenever it is offline, kill the app, relaunch the app. This is the sutra, this is the mantra, please remember. Please don't keep posting the same thing again and again. I hope the idea is clear. What if two options end with the same unit place requirement, Kamlakar? You should visit my simplification class. I have told you minimum 20 varieties of simplifying things, how you can simplify faster. Out of 20 plus methods which I told in simplification class, one of the method is unit digit. That is the reason I am telling you people, if you do not revisit all my classes, you will have this kind of doubts. You should revisit all my classes, sir. That is the reason thousands of people keep listening to classes and thousands of people keep enrolling, and they will recharge from August to September also. Digital sum is also another method, Ramesh. Digital sum is also another method. What if digital sum is also same? I have told some other methods in my simplification class. You should keep revisiting my topics, sir. That is where you will actually love, or probably you will actually learn a lot of new things. Till here, any doubt? Whatever the questions which we have solved, kindly comment, sir. Kindly comment. I will extend the class. I will extend the class because I know that this class probably can be a turning point for your life in the way you look at aptitude. I hope all the problems explained till this point of a time is very, very clear for you. Akash, there is not much to repeat in this question. Just go by answer options I am telling you, sir. The same concept of AM and HM only I am using here. Speeds are in arithmetic progression, time is in harmonic progression. Middle value T is given by 2 into A into C divided by A plus C. I am going with answer options. I am going to extend for the next half an hour of my class, and the next half an hour are extremely important problems. Two students from the last one day, I think yesterday only, two students also messaged me if I am not wrong. Both the students asked similar kind of doubt. That is my next question. Next few questions, next 20 to half an hour of my time. Please pay complete attention. Extraordinary questions. Listen carefully, sir. No more extra discussions, Gopinath and other people. Please hold on until the class is completed, where I will provide you the WhatsApp number for you to get added. Do not keep messaging that point in the middle. Next question. Now see this question, sir. Extraordinary question. See this question. Your question is, Bhuvana takes 30 minutes more than the usual time to reach her office if her speed decreases by 2 meters per second. That means actual speed, suppose if it is S meters per second. If her speed decreases by 2 meters per second, then Bhuvana will take 30 minutes more. 30 minutes more she will take. That means every day if she is traveling at a speed of S meters per second, she would have taken T minutes to reach the office. Today she took 30 minutes more. T plus 30. Read the next statement. And she takes 30 minutes less than the usual time if her speed increases by 3 meters per second. Original speed is yes. If her speed increases by 3 meters per second, then she will take 30 minutes less, right? 30 minutes less. First condition was for 30 minutes more. That means original time is T. It is T minus 30, right? It is T minus 30. Listen carefully, sir. Now, your question is, what is her usual speed? Usual speed is referred as S. What is the value of S is the question. Now see here. I will solve it in 2 to 3 methods. My sincere request, please listen to all the 3 methods. Although you know it, please listen carefully, sir. There is a connection between the dots. I want to give it in these problems. Please listen to these problems very carefully. Now, can I say that? Can I say like this, sir? If I write like this, speed is equal to distance by time. Distance is equal to speed into time. First, initially I was traveling a distance of d meters. S meters per second was the speed. Usual time is T meters per second. Now this is my equation 1, right? This is my equation 1. Can I also say that that is my equation 1, but the scenario happened so that I decreased my speed by 2 meters per second. S minus 2 it became. So T became T plus 30. T became T plus 30. But the distance will still remain the same. That is my second equation. And the third equation is, distance is still the same for the third equation. S became S plus 3 and T became T minus 30 this time. This is my third equation, right? This is my third equation. This is a variable methodology which your textbooks will usually use to solve problems of this sort. Now, if I simplify further, everyone listen carefully, sir. If I simplify further, equation 1 plus equation 2 becomes left hand side of equation 1 and 2. Left hand side of equation 1 and 2 is the same. Instead of adding, I can also do like this. Equation 1 left hand side is D. Equation 2 left hand side is also D. Equate the right hand side. 1 is equal to 2. Right hand side will become S into T is equation 1 right hand side. If I multiply all these things, my equation will become S into T plus 30S minus 2T minus 60, right? Minus 60. I will multiply this and this. That is what I will get. ST will cancel. My final equation is 30S minus 2T minus 60 is equal to 0. This is my fourth equation, right? This is my fourth equation. Similarly, if I if I compare equation 1 and equation 3, right? Again same logic. Left hand side of equation 1 and equation 3 both are same. Equate the right hand side. Right hand side is ST. Here if I multiply these two, it is ST minus 30S plus 3T minus 90. And ST on the left hand side, right hand side cancels. You will be left with minus 30S plus 3T minus 90 is equal to 0. This is my fifth equation, right? This is my fifth equation. Can I say that they are asking you what is the actual speed? You can also find actual time. You can also find actual distance, right? How you can actually find all these three values? Very easy, sir. There are two simultaneous equations. Equation 4 and 5. They are in terms of S and T. Solve these two simultaneous equations. If I solve these two simultaneous equations, I will get T value as 150 seconds. When I substitute T value as 150 seconds in any of these two equations, I will get S value as 12 meters per second. When I also substitute S value as 12 meters per second, here S is 12, T is 150. 12 into 150 is distance. I will get it as 1800 meters, or it is nothing but 1800 meters can also be written in kilometers if you want to. So actual speed is 12 meters per second, actual time is 150 seconds, actual distance is 1800 meters. But actual method is not this one, sir. That is the pain point for our students if you use this method. This is not the actual method. We found out actual parameters of speed, time and distance, but not the actual method. Methodology is something which we are interested with. Now see my method 2. For the same question, please see my method 2. My role as a teacher is to show you multiple methods. Your role as a student should always be to pick up the method which you are comfortable. Now see here, actual speed is yes, actual time is T. What is that they have given? Speed is decreased by 2 meters per second. Time increases by 30 minutes. Speed is decreased by 2. It is minus 2. Time increases by 30. It is plus 30. The other parameter is speed is increased by 3 meters per second. Time is decreased by 30 minutes. Speed is increased by 3 meters per second. Time is decreased by 30 minutes. Now see here, we got these equations 4 and 5 after so much of simplifications. After adding 1 and 2 or equating 1 and 2 and then equating 1 and 3, we got these equations 4 and 5. How to get that equations 4 and 5 directly? Listen carefully, sir. Can I say that cross multiply these two? If I cross multiply, S into 30 is 30S, minus 2 into 2 is minus 2T, and then for these two do parallel multiplication. Minus 2 into plus 30 is minus 60 is equal to 0. This is exactly your fourth equation. Check it out if you want. 30S minus 2T minus 60 is equal to 0. Directly you will end up with the equation, sir. No need of equating 1 and 2 and then simplifying. Similarly, how to get equation 5? Same logic. S is there, T is there. I will write these two once again for your better understanding. It is plus 3 and minus 30. Same logic, cross multiply. So it is minus 30S plus 3T plus 3T. Do this parallel multiplication. Minus 90 is equal to 0. This is exactly what you got as your fifth equation. This is exactly what you got as your fifth equation. Instead of doing all these things which I wrote it on the left side of the screen, directly you can get equations 4 and 5. And then you need to solve this equation and this equation to get the values of S, to get the values of T, and in turn to get the value of T. I believe that my method 2 is very clear for you people. Direct equation how to obtain. But unfortunately again, this is also not the method which I am interested with. Method 1 is a variable method which every textbook will use. It's a very payload method, sir. Every textbook will use that method. Method 2 is our methodology of A and C. But method 3 is whatever I am discussing as method 3 is also ANIL NAIR classes methodology without any variables, without any equations. and that is exactly the reason you should keep watching all our videos. First, let me understand if method 1 and method 2 is clear for my students. Both the methods are similar methods, but directly how to get the equations to simplify, that is what I taught you in method 2. Kindly first comment in the live chat if the method is clear for you, if the methods are clear for you. I hope the idea is clear, sir. Idea should be very clear. Yes, it is time consuming, Priyank. That is the reason we are not interested in this method. Divya, it is very simple, ma. Let us not spend too much of time in the method which we are not interested. This is what we have. Cross multiply 30s. Cross multiply minus 2t. Parallel multiply minus 2 into 30 is minus 60. And then write equal to 0 on the right hand side. Simple. Now please see method 3. Please see method 3, sir. Divya, it is given in the question, ma. It is given in the question. Reduce the speed by 2 meters per second, increases by 3. Same thing I am writing. Why are you getting confused? Initial speed and time is s and t. It is given that speed reduces by 2. I wrote minus 2. If speed reduces by 2, time will increase by 30. I wrote plus 30. The second condition is speed increases by 3. I wrote plus 3. Time will decrease by 30. I wrote minus 30. Easy, right? Just 1 minute, sir. Just give me a minute. I'll be back. Now see here, sir. What is the question? Question is, if speed decreases by 2, 30 minutes more. If speed increases by 3, 30 minutes less. Actual speed is yes, actual time is t. Now, method 3. Whatever the method you like, please follow that method, sir. I will also discuss method 4 for this question. Method 3. Method 3 is the method of arithmetic mean and harmonic mean, which is the concept which we are discussing today. T plus 30, t minus 30. This is in arithmetic progression. Time is in arithmetic progression. If the time is in arithmetic progression, speed will be in harmonic progression. Speeds will be in harmonic progression. Harmonic progression middle value is given by, middle value s is given by 2ab, 2 into s minus 2 into s plus 3 divided by a plus b. s minus 2 plus s plus 3. Now, if I cross multiply and simplify everything, I will get the answer as s is equal to 12 meters per second. Now, if the question is asking you only for s, you would have stopped the answer at this point. But question is also asking you for actual distance and actual time. Now, yes, after simplifying, cross multiplying, all those things which you are aware of, you will get 12 meters per second. Substitute it here back. If I substitute it back here, s minus 2 is 12 minus 2, 10. If I am traveling at 10 meters per second, I will take 30 minutes more. Or in other words, it is 30 minutes late, like the way we solved in our previous class. If I travel at s, that means if I travel at 12 meters per second, let it be as it is. S plus 3 is nothing but 12 plus 3, 15 meters per second. If I travel at 15 meters per second, I will take t minus 30. Or in other words, it is 30 minus 30 minutes early. Can I say that in my previous class, I took similar kind of a model, late and early model, late and late model, early and early model. How did we find the distance? Distance is assumption of 10 and 15, LCM is 30. 30 meters if I assume, 1 second 10. To cover 30 it is 3 seconds. 1 second 10, 15. To cover 30 it is 2 seconds. Difference in time between both the days. 3 and 2 it is 1 minute. It is 1 minute. 3 and 2 it is 1 minute or 1 second or whatever it is. Actual time is 9 o'clock starting. 30 minutes late means 9:30. 30 minutes early means 8:30. 8:30 and 9:30. What is the difference? Difference is 60 minutes. 1 minute is becoming 60 minutes. Multiply by 60. Multiply by 60. 30 is my assumption. 30 also multiply by 60. 30 into 60 is 1800 meters. Distance is 1800 meters. Speed is 12 meters per second. Time is nothing but distance by speed. 1800 divided by 12. Time is nothing but 150 seconds. Beautifully you can solve the questions by using this concept, sir. Beautifully you can solve the questions by using these concepts. It is never a difficulty if you start watching all these things, and it will be so simple by solving all these questions. I hope the idea is clear. I hope the idea is clear. Let me check my internet once again, sir. Give me a couple of minutes of time. It will go offline for a second. Don't be restless because I am switching between the internets. It will go offline. Please have some technical terminologies in your mind before you judge anything. I am switching the internet from my mobile internet connection to my Wi-Fi. At that time Wi-Fi was giving problem. Let me try with Wi-Fi as of now again. Please do not keep asking me buffering issues. I already read your comments. Have patience. People who have not commented, please don't comment as buffering issues. Have patience, have patience, have patience. Same is the case here, Priyank. My data also was consumed so much. From the last 1 hour, I repeat, I used my mobile data. If we want something in your life, we need to miss out or lose something. That is the sutra of life. We cannot have everything in our life. To get something what we do not have, we need to lose something what we have sometimes. So probably let us respect that sentence. If you think that your mobile data is important, you should put a Wi-Fi connection in your home. Is the live streaming proper right now, sir? Let me write something. Is the video clear? Is there is a buffering issue? Are there any buffering issues? Is the audio clear? Are there any buffering issues? I believe it is clear right now. People who did not understand method 3, do not worry. We will repeat method 3 in our next problem or something like that. But method 4 is what we are interested with. All good, no buffering. I repeat, my internet is very good, sir. I am not joking. I am seeing it live. My internet is extremely good. If it is buffering again for you, probably refresh. Do not again comment as buffering. You know the solution, what needs to be done when it buffers. Please do that solution. Now, please see this, sir. Method 4. Method 4. Method 4. ANC way of solving. Listen carefully. How beautifully you will get the answer. Although method 1, method 2, method 4 are not the actual methods what we are learning in today's concept of AM and HM, I already taught you in method 3. Use the same concept of AM and HM, sir. From the last 1.5 hours we are solving. People who missed out method 3, please use the same concept, you will get it. Method 4. Let me write the question one more time for you. Speed decreases by 2 meters per second. Time increases by 30 minutes. Speed increases by 3 meters per second. Time decreases by 30 minutes. Actual speed, actual time, actual distance we need to find. Now everyone listen carefully, sir. I want everyone's attention towards this method 4, which is nothing but ANC way of solving. Now see here. Now see here. In this question, can I say that there is an equal interval between the time periods? That means this question says that time period is the same, right? First method, first kind of problem what we are solving is equal interval between the time period. Time period remains the same. Now see here, beautiful way of solving. Can I take like this? Think logically, sir. Faster speed. First question, listen carefully. I will take another question of similar type. Faster speed divided by slower speed. Faster speed divided by slower speed. This is faster speed is. Faster speed is 3, right? It is plus 3. Slower speed is 2. Don't take it as minus 2, just only take the magnitude. Faster speed divided by slower speed. It is 3:2. That means faster speed is to slower speed is 3:2 ratio. Can I say that the difference between faster speed and slower speed, the difference between faster speed and slower speed, according to the ratio is 1. According to the ratio, the difference between faster speed and slower speed, it is 1. But according to the question, what is the difference? What is the difference between faster speed and slower speed according to the question? It is 3. It is minus 2. Difference is 3 minus of minus 2. 3 minus of minus 2 is plus 5. According to the question, difference is 5. According to the ratio, difference between faster speed and slower speed is 3:2. 3 and 2 difference is 1. According to the question, 3 units forward, 2 units backward. Total gap between these two is 5 units. 1 is becoming 5. Multiply by 5. 3 also multiply by 5. 3 into 5 is 15. 2 also multiply by 5. 2 into 5 is 10. Can I say that faster speed is actually 15 meters per second? Faster speed, S plus 3 is 15. S minus 2 is 10. S will be how much? S will be, S plus 3 is 15 means S will be 12 meters per second. Directly you will get the answer as 12 meters per second. You don't need to use any variables or any equations. Directly, yes, you will get it as 12 meters per second. Similarly, I want to get time, right? I want to get time. Same analogy applied, sir. Can I say, for time, can I say it as faster time divided by slower time? Listen to the first problem very carefully. Faster time divided by slower time. Can I say time and speed are inversely proportional to each other. If faster speed by slower speed ratio is 3:2, faster time by slower time ratio will be reverse. It will be 2:3. But according to the ratio, the difference is 1. But according to the question, difference is how much? 30 minutes forward, 30 minutes behind. That means the gap is 60 minutes. 30 minus of minus 30, 60. 1 is becoming 60 multiplied by 60. 2 also multiply by 60. Faster time is 120. 3 also multiply by 60. Slower time is 180. That means, can I say that t plus 30, it is 180. T minus 30, it is 120. T plus 30 is 180 means t will be 180 minus 30. It is 150 seconds. Directly without any equation you will get it. Speed is 12 meters per second. Time is 150 meters. Distance is equal to speed into time. 12 into 150. It is nothing but 1800 meters. One of the beautiful method of solving, which probably other than A and C, no other people knows how to use this methodologies, which is nothing but a research which has been done. And I can proudly say that this kind of methodology will save your time to a very, very greater extent, sir. Extremely beautiful methodology to solve problem, and this method is something which you need to learn and you need to implement. That is the reason I taught you 4 methods in this particular question, and I told you whichever the method you are comfortable, please use that methodology. I hope the idea is clear. Rajshekhar, is method 4 is applicable for all type of problems or only problem with AP and HP? No, it is applicable for all type. Whether it is in HP or AP, whether they are not in AP or HP, this method serves as the beautiful method for all the varieties. Please listen to this next question, Anurag, if you are not clear. That is the reason you should keep listening. This is where enrolled students will have a beautiful edge over non-enrolled students. This question is time period being same. Everyone listen carefully, sir. Next question. Time period is same. Suppose if the speed changes are same. Listen carefully. Do not write anything. If the speed changes are same, how beautifully you can solve it. If the time periods are same, you applied faster speed first, faster speed by slower speed first, then you applied faster time by slower time. If the speed changes are same, suppose for example, s minus 2 is t plus 20, s plus 2 is t minus 30. Actual speed I need to find, actual time I need to find, actual distance I need to find. Now see here, sir, one of the method what you can implement is s minus 2, s plus 2, AM and HM you can implement. You can solve it. You can solve the method by using AM and HM also. Can I see that there is another beautiful method which A and C will use without using any formulas or variables or equations. Think logically, sir. Step number 1. In this question, time speed changes are same. If speed changes are same, I will take faster time divided by slower time initially. Same logic I will implement. Faster time divided by slower time. Everyone listen to this again, sir. People who did not understand. Faster time is 20. Slower time is 30. 20 divided by 30. The ratio is 2:3. According to the ratio, the difference is 1. According to the ratio, the difference is 1. But according to the question, 20 minutes forward, 30 minutes backward, the difference is 30 minus of minus 20 or 20 minus of minus 30. 50 is the difference. 1 is becoming 50 multiplied by 50. 2 also multiply by 50. Faster time is 100 seconds. 3 also multiply by 50. Slower time is 150 seconds. That means can I say that faster time is 100 seconds. Faster time in time which is with a negative sign. This is 100 seconds. Slower time in time which is with addition because it is taking more time. It is 150 seconds. T minus 30 is 100. T will be 100 plus 30. It is 130 seconds. How beautifully you can solve, sir. Or I can say that T plus 20 is 150. T is 150 minus 20. It is 130 seconds. Time is 130 seconds. Time is 130 seconds. Can I say that I also want the speed and distance? Step number 2. Faster speed divided by slower speed. If faster by slower, time is 2:3. Speed will be reverse, 3:2. Difference is 1. But the question says s minus 2 and s plus 2. What is the difference? Difference is 4. Right? Difference is 4. 1 into 4 is 4. 3 into 4 is 12. 2 into 4 is 8. Right? 2 into 4 is 8. That means in beautiful language of ANIL NAIR classes we say that faster speed is 12. Right? Faster speed is s plus 2. Sorry. This is 12. Slower speed is 8. That means s plus 2 is 12. S is nothing but 10 meters per second. S minus 2 is 8. S is again 10 meters per second. You know the time. You know the speed. Distance is equal to speed into time. 10 into 130. Beautifully you can draft this answer as 1300 meters. How beautiful, how simple it can be, sir. How beautiful, how simple it can be. I believe that the idea is very, very clear for you. One of the best methods, sir. One of the best method. This kind of shortcuts you will definitely not see anywhere. How 50 came in step number 1. Simple logic. Think logically, sir. Think logically. Suppose, for example, let me write it. It is t plus 20. It is t. It is t minus 30. Now, let me give some numerical value for you people to understand it better. Suppose t is 80. Suppose t is 80. I am just giving an example. Don't club this example with the previous question. T plus 20 will be 100 seconds, right? T minus 20 will be 50 seconds, right? Now, I reached the office at 50 seconds itself. That means faster speed will be t minus 30, right? Faster time will be t minus 30. I believe that the idea is everyone clear, right? Faster time is t minus 30. Similarly, just 1 minute, sir. Let me read one by one comments. I think faster time is t minus 30. Next, what is that other people have asked? Anurag, sir, how 50 came in step number 1? Now think logically, Anurag. This is 50 seconds. This is 100 seconds. 50 seconds, 100 seconds. What is the gap, beta? It is 50 only, right? In simple language, you are here, Anurag. You are at this point. This is you, Anurag. You went 20 units forward. You came back 30 units. You came back 30 units. Gap is 50, right? I hope the idea is clear, sir. Idea should be very, very clear for you people. Okay, I made a mistake here. I think Vijay has corrected this mistake. Faster time. Faster time is t minus 30. Correct only, beta. Faster time is t minus 30. So, faster time is 100. So, I equated both of them. Correct only, right? Hold on, Shijit. Hold on. Don't get so much restless. Hold on. I told you that time changes are same. Speed changes are same. Hold on, hold on, hold on. One thing which I definitely want to teach my students is patience. And that is lacking in almost everyone. That is my biggest problem. You don't have patience, sir. You don't have patience. How faster time is 20? Faster time, how it is 20? See, faster time means whatever is there with plus sign. Slower time means whatever is there with minus sign. That is what I took it as 20 by 30. Now see here, sir. Suppose for example, a solution for your assignment. Suppose for example, S plus 2 is t minus 4. S minus 2 is t plus 6. Actual speed, actual time, actual distance. This is your assignment. You can try it out, and probably with practice you can get the answer faster. You can get the answer faster, and that too without using pen. You can get the answer. I think if I am not wrong, answer for this speed will be 10 meters per second. I just calculated speed in my mind. Speed probably will be 10 meters per second, sir. Confusions will arise. Confusions will definitely prone to happen, Pawan Kumar Reddy, because confusion is the beginning step for success. Confusion is the beginning step for clarity. Without confusion, you cannot have clarity in your life. You are so confused when you are in your final year of engineering. What need to do? What I need to do? Should I write a bank exam? Should I write SSC exam? Should I go for placements and get into a job? You are so much confused. That is what you got clarity over a period of time. Conclusion will be the beginning step for clarity. Now see here. What if both speed and time changes? What if both speed and time changes are unequal? What if both speed and time changes are unequal? Now see here. First variety, I took time changes equal. Second variety, speed changes same. Speed and time changes both are unequal. Listen carefully, sir. This is what I want to teach you people. Suppose S plus 7, it is t minus 7. S minus 3, it is t plus 9. Actual speed, actual time, actual distance. These are all the things which I want to teach you, sir. Not what is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 like your textbook methods uses by using variables or formulas. Now see here, sir. Same logic. Faster speed divided by slower speed. Faster speed divided by slower speed. Faster speed means plus, it is 7. Slower means minus, it is 3. 7 is to 3. Now, in our previous cases where speed was same or time was same, we were not doing this extra next step. In this, we will do this extra next step. Now, listen carefully, sir. Speed ratio is 7 is to 3. Speed ratio is 7 is to 3. What is time ratio? Time ratio is 7 is to 9. Speed ratio is 7 is to 3. Time ratio in the question is 7 is to 9. But I don't want time ratio. I want speed ratio. If time ratio is 7 is to 9, speed ratio will be reversed. 9 is to 7. Multiply that speed ratio with the original speed ratio. This is one extra step that you need to take care of. Whatever speed ratio is 7 is to 3. I am repeating again. Original speed ratio is 7 is to 3 according to the question. But time ratio is 7 is to 9. But speed and time changes are unequal in this question. Whenever speed and time changes are unequal, time ratio of 7 is to 9. Reverse it because you want speed ratio. 9 is to 7 multiply. If I do this, 7 and 7 cancels. 3 into 3. So this becomes 3 is to 1, right? This becomes 3 is to 1. Faster speed is to slower speed. Actual ratio is 3 is to 1. How to take it forward? Same like previous problem. Can I say that? According to ratio, the difference between faster and slower is 2. But according to the question, S plus 7, S minus 3. Difference is how much? 7 minus of minus 3, 7 plus 3, 10. According to ratio 2, according to question 10, multiply by 5. 3 also multiply by 5. 3 into 5 is 15. 1 also multiply by 5. 1 into 5 is 5. That means faster speed is giving me how much? Faster speed is giving me 15. Faster speed is giving me 15. Can I say that? Faster speed is giving me 15. Slower speed is giving me 5. That means S plus 7 is 15. S is equal to 15 minus 7. S is equal to 8 meters per second. Or S minus 3 is 5. S is equal to 3 plus 5. That also is 8 meters per second. I believe that you are very clear with this. Faster time is 9, right sir? Yes, I cancelled here Arvind. I made this 9 by 3 as 3 by 1. Both are same. Faster speed is 15, slower speed is 5. Now I want time ratio. Same logic. Faster time divided by slower time. Faster speed by slower speed is 3:1. Faster time by slower time is reverse 1:3. The difference according to ratio is 2. Difference according to the question is 7 and minus 7 and 9. What is the difference? 9 minus of minus 7. It is 16. 2 into 8 is 16. 1 into 8 is 8. 3 into 8 is 24. That means, can I say that faster time is 8 minutes. Faster minutes or seconds, whatever. Faster time is 8 seconds. This is 8. Slower time is 24. This is 24. Same logic. 7 t minus 7 is 8. T is equal to 8 plus 7. It is 15 seconds. Similarly, t plus 9 is 24. T is again 24 minus 9, 15. Distance is equal to speed into time. 8 into 15 is 120 meter. You will not find this kind of methods. And I bet it. Vijay, you have said right. Divya ratio must be in simplest form. If it is not in simplest form also, you will still get the same answer at the end of the problem solving. I believe that 3 varieties. Speed changes are same. That is the first variety. Time changes are same. That is the second variety. And then the third variety is speed changes and time changes. Both are not same. Both are unequal. That is my third variety. I keep repeating again and again. Sir, is maybe a question in which faster speed is s minus 7 and slower speed is s minus 2. That is not a valid question, sir. That is not a valid question. Right? That is not a valid question. Whatever you are asking in this context, you need to. People, I am telling you, sir, this is the method 4 of this problem. I taught you first method, variable method. I taught you second method, which is again equation method, but equation simplified in a different way. I taught you third method, which is also an ANC method, which we will not use it again. I taught you another beautiful method, which is ANC method, which is our fourth method. And I keep telling you, these kind of shortcuts you will not just get it like this. And I am repeatedly telling you, sir, you need to revise. Revision is the sutra. Revision is the sutra of success again. If you do not practice, if you do not revise, you will end up becoming the same person what you were there earlier. You will never change in your life. That is the reason, might be the reason. That is probably one of the reasons. Many people across India, they will keep purchasing this 400 hours of extraordinary content for bank and SSC, where you will get all the videos which are recorded till July 31st. 400 hours is not a joke. I repeat, 400 hours is not a joke. Where you can rewind it, you can pause it, you can replay it, you can listen to the same content as many times as possible. You are the boss of your own learning. You are the boss, sir. You need to decide when you want to study this concept. 400 hours of content, 1 year validity. 1 year validity. 3 months validity became 6 months, 6 months has become now 1 year. And I will also tell you, sir, actual price in our website is more than 20,000 rupees for this course. But you are getting the entire course at so much of discount. It was 3,000 earlier, it was 4,000 earlier, it became 5,000. It kept on increasing. But still it is a 4-digit number, it never became a 5-digit number as of today. You can give a call. For CAT students, it is 550 hours of content is already present till July 31st. Till July 31st, already CAT level questions, high quality CAT level questions, never seen ways of problem solving. For CAT students, bank and SSC questions also will be added for you people without any extra charges. CAT product in our website is more than 30,000 rupees. but you are getting again at a 4-digit number itself. It is still not a 5-digit number for CAT. And more than all these things, I think the last update what I got at 3:30 p.m. today is 547 people have extended their course from July 31st till September 30th. August 1st till September 30th, 547 people have extended it, sir. 547 people believe that the August 1st till July 31st content, September 30th content, what they are getting, 180 plus hours of content, which are taken by Ajay, which are taken by ANIL NAIR, which are taken by Krishna sir, which are taken by Deepak, who are Stanford and Oxford University people, which are taken by Santosh for LRDI. All these people are very, very high qualified and high paid people. Highly paid, highly professional people. 180 plus hours of content you are still getting today at only 4,000 rupees, which will very soon increase, sir. And I am not joking you people. I made it only 4,000 today also. My finance team made it 6,000 today. I blasted them one last time. I told them that let us give an opportunity for 4,000 rupees. 547 people at 3:30 is what I got the information, have got it at 3,000 or 4,000 rupees. I requested and I blasted them also, saying that I want today's people, and that too only 10 students. First 10 students who are going to get this beautiful opportunity will still get August 1st to September 30th only at 4,000. I told you one statement at the starting of the class. You start your preparation. You keep delaying purchasing our content. You keep delaying success. Completely up to you, sir. Completely up to you. You have seen from the last 2 hours 15 minutes how quality questions are these, how beautiful methods are these, and if you still want to delay the things in getting the content and start preparing your preparation, I think you are delaying your success. That is the only thing I can say. Interested first 10 students, interested first only 10 students, you can WhatsApp me immediately to grab this offer right now at this number at 7795734445. Please do not call me, please WhatsApp me. But if you want to call, you can call Ujjwala madam at 9985851158. Ujjwala madam, you can call. You can directly WhatsApp me if you want to message me or if you want to keep in touch with me. Completely up to you, sir. Any of these contact numbers, and I am really not joking you, sir. It is given only for 10 students. If you are 11th student, I will only tell you one statement. Thank you very much. That is the statement I will say you people. First 10 students, I am disconnecting my call right now. I mean the class right now. I am signing off, sir. You need to revise all these concepts. Revision is a must. Otherwise, revision is a must. Otherwise, you will end up not getting all these concepts, end up using formula methods. Chalo, sir, I am signing off. Thank you everyone having patiently listening from the last 2.5 hours almost. Thank you everyone for attending this session, sir. You can message me immediately, sir. Thank you. I am signing off. And believe me, probably only 10 students for one last time. One last time tomorrow the price will shoot up, which actually had shot up today itself, right? One last time I am giving you this offer of 4,000 rupees to recharge from August 1st to September 30th. Sir, I want the entire package. Entire package details also I will give you. You can message me or you can call Ujjwala madam. Chalo sir, thank you. I am signing off. Thank you, sir.
anywhere, any place, and on the go. Come, let us go the other way in learning. Download our revolutionary app for free AMC.